wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just cut the AC off, so if you hear that, it's going to go away by the end of this video. But I wanted to go ahead and get started. So we are about to talk about new makeup launches, and I think there might actually be new makeup that is worth talking about. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So the first thing I see is there's a new sheer skin tint from Summer Fridays. This is their first complexion product. If you don't know, Summer Fridays is more popular for their skincare. I've tried a mask from them. They do have a mineral sunscreen that they just came out with that I've heard is pretty good. So that has already been in my Sephora cart. And now I see that they are coming out with a sheer skin tint from the promotions. It's giving. If the models that I see on there have a shade, I should be able to have a shade. Does it say how many shades? Lightweight coverage with a natural finish, infused with tiger grass, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and a variety of emollients, including avocado oil and vitamin E, in 10 shades. Listen, skin tints, we're just gonna have to get used to them saying, yeah, you only need like 7 shades in skin tints. But do I still want to try it? Yes. Yes, I do. All right, is this like a brand? Is this a new brand? Caliray? Is that how you pronounce it? Caliray? But they have a new So Blown Blurring Collagen Peptide Primer, a lightweight ultra blurring primer with collagen peptides to moisturize and nourish skin for a matte finish. Retails for $36, I think is how much it is. Available August 12th on their website and I guess Sephora. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm intrigued that this is a blurring primer that'll mattify the skin. Let me know if you tried this brand before. I'm intrigued. But I buy this, I'm interested. I would put this on my wish list on Sephora. New Best Skin Ever Concealer from Sephora Collection. A creamy liquid concealer that was made to do it all. Cover, correct, contour. Full coverage, natural finish, 50 shades. Available August 12th. August 12th must be like the launch date for a whole bunch of stuff at Sephora. Would I try this? Yes, I would. I love the foundation. I believe, aren't they also coming out with like a glow version of Best Skin Ever? Or did they already come out? I know I was supposed to do a video on that. I see the requests y'all are making on videos. It's just, you know, time trying to figure all that out and balance life at the same time and keep up with all the launches and stuff like that. I'm going to do it. It's just give me a little time. But would I try this out? Yes. Will I? Yes. Okay, new Fenty Skin has the Fat Water Hydrating Milky Toner Essence with hyaluronic acid. $32. Maybe I would try it. The essence that I'm currently using is the one from La Mer. It's almost done. It's La Mer. Okay, so I don't really want to spend $150 for new. I mean, I like it. It's doing what it's supposed to do, but like, I don't want to have to repurchase it. So I was thinking of maybe trying a different essence anyway. But Fenty Skin, I haven't really been, you know, that impressed with the stuff that I tried from them. I do still want to try that cookie and cream mask, but other than that, you know, it's been just kind of like okay. But their skincare, I do see that they have a actual like bar soap. And I'm actually more interested in trying the bar soap than I am the essence. Like the bar soap, yeah, I would buy that. The essence, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, holiday launches are already coming out. It's August. Okay. But this is NARS holiday collection. It's eyeshadow palette, cheek palette, looks like lipstick. I'm just gonna scroll on. We were doing so well. Okay, if it's not ColourPop, then Makeup Revolution, I Heart Revolution, Revolution Beauties. One of the sister brands under Makeup Revolution is going to give you a collab with cartoons, with food, with all this other stuff. So they are doing a Looney Tunes collaboration. Packaging is going to always be spot on. Cute. They've got the little, you know, lipsticks, the little beauty supply lipsticks. They're probably going to smell like something. They probably have a scent to it. So the packaging, the presentation is spot on. I'm not gonna lie, I would probably want to get one of the little glosses. The eyeshadow palette, it's cute. The colors in it, would I pick it up? No. yeah, if anything, I feel like you're getting this because of the Looney Tunes or because of like one specific thing. The collection altogether, she's cute. Now y'all already know I'm gonna get this. KAYALI is coming out with a new fragrance. Y'all know I literally own every fragrance they've come out with. I have a whole video ranking them from best to worst, but they have a new fragrance. It is the Lovefest Burning Cherry. Luscious, woody, and mesmerizing. Top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and black cherry. And I think they're going to have the regular full size for $118. Yeah, did this come out yet? August 9th? What day is today? Okay, so it comes out Tuesday? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be buying that. Gaga is bringing us complexion. New Triclone Skin Tech Foundation is coming from House Labs. Is that how you pronounce it? Looks like it's going to be $45 and they have 50 shades. Yeah, this is going to be the first thing I buy from House Labs. I'm trying it. I don't know, something about it, just the bottle is actually reminding me of the La Mer foundation, like the packaging, all that other stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be the first thing that I try from House Labs. Yeah, it doesn't have a launch date, but hold on. But I'm definitely gonna pick it up. Available now, new Everglass Lip Dew from M Cosmetics, a glass-like shine lightweight gloss serum gel hybrid with the luxurious comfort of a balm. Retails for $22. The shades look very cute. I haven't tried M Cosmetics. I want to. I saw a lip liner on TikTok that I guess is from them. That's supposed to be nice for a deeper complexion. So if I was gonna pick this up, I'd probably try picking it up with that lip liner. It's cute. I would try it. Am I going to be determined? Okay, of course it would not be this type of video if I did not have a new launch from ColourPop. New eyeshadow palette, Matte About Hue ColourPop All Mattes Rainbow Palette. 30 shades, blendable, long wearing, and velvety, $34. Baby, you gonna tell me ColourPop ain't launched this palette before? This even sounds like a name that I've heard before, so how is it new? It's another rainbow palette from ColourPop. Moving on. New, the ReEvolve Natural Finish Foundation from RMS Beauty, a silicone-free, skincare-infused daily wear liquid foundation. Fresh feeling and easy to blend, smooth, long-lasting, medium coverage with a satin natural finish while it hydrates, firms, and softens the skin. $48 for 16 shades. I'm trying to think if I've ever tried RMS Beauty. I think I have. No. I don't believe so. I don't really know anything about the brand, so let me know if you do and if this is worth checking out, because it's foundation, so you already know I'm intrigued. But let me know if you guys want to see a video on that or if I should check it out. So maybe. Okay, if you guys did not know, Glossier is coming to Sephora early 2023, so you'll be able to pick it up there, because I believe like Glossier is like the only place you can get it. Maybe it's available on like those home shopping networks and stuff like that, but like it wasn't available in like a Sephora or Ulta. So I feel like I haven't heard of a influencer collab in a minute, or at least not one that people were talking about, but I have seen this on Instagram and TikTok. Kathleen Lights, also a name I have not heard in years, is collabing with Il Makiage on a collection, Disco Fox. That is what it looks like. Moving on. Okay, if you guys didn't know, J.Lo has a like beauty line. I feel like it's more skincare from what I've seen, but it's available at Sephora, right? I feel like she launched this during like peak pandemic, quarantine, stuff like that. If you missed it, it says available now, celebrating J.Lo's birthday with a new Booty Glow, the Firm Flaunt Booty Balm. A clinically tested high-performance formula visibly firms and hydrates skin and fades the appearance of stretch marks for a smoother, more refined-looking booty, boosted with powerful active ingredients. $65. Yeah, her line is not cheap. Would I buy this? No, but I actually have heard of a product like this. It's sold by a brand that's available at Ulta, but I can't remember what the name of the brand is. But I know they have like a firming butt type thing too. I did actually buy that. Was it a firming butt or like it's gonna firm your butt and get rid of any stretch marks and whatnot. I bought that. It does cause a weird like tingling sensation in your butt cheeks, but I'm not sure if I could say it actually did anything. So, you know, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, Wait, no, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice. Okay, another new launch from ColourPop, and it is called On the List collection. Besides how the actual palette looks, I don't want to hear nothing about no list being on the list in the beauty community ever again after how y'all acted with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay? And I'm wondering if ColourPop, like, if that's intentional, them naming it like that, but I'm gonna scroll by. Ooh, new Chapter 4 Rem Beauty by Ariana Grande has a new concealer. It's the Sweetener Concealer. This retails for $24. Camouflaging spots, illuminating under eyes, and smoothing out skin tones. Hydrating multi-test concealer for contour. Highlight, lifting, and perfecting. Comes in 60 shades. It's reminding me of the Kevyn Aucoin concealers. So I'm wondering if you could also use as foundation, but am I gonna try this? Yes, I am. To be honest, it's the first thing the brand has launched that I'm actually interested in. And even now, like, even though it is, at least it sounds like an interesting product, it's not getting like any hype and whatnot. And this is an artist that has a very strong fan base, but like this makeup line, it's not doing it. It looks like they also came out with a primer. Yes, it's the Lunar Magic Blurring Primer, retails for $29. Yeah, I tried that too. I'll probably try them both out at the same time. But yeah, okay, Rob, you've caught my attention. It's about to start storming. Laura Geller. You ever be surprised to realize like brands are still in business and like still releasing products? Because when's the last time anyone's talked about Laura Geller? But it still exists. They are coming out with a new serum blush cheek. Good product to be putting out right now. A lot of people are focusing on blush. Refreshing, cooling sensation, and a watercolor-like flush of color. Retails for $28. Dual hairs. I'm intrigued. Enough to buy? I think it's only those two colors, Practical Pink and Poppy Peach. I'm intrigued. I'll leave it there. I don't know if I would buy it, but I like it from how it looks. Okay, available now. The Major Brow Defining Pencil by Patrick Ta. A long-wearing brow pencil with pencil sharp precision. Perfect for filling in sparse brows. Retails for $25. I feel like that's probably the most affordable thing I've heard come from his brand. I have yet to try Patrick Ta Beauty. So I want to do one of the I tried Patrick Ta so you don't have to, like one of those type of videos. And I'll probably pick up this brow pencil because I just ran out of my Charlotte Tilbury. That's one thing I hate about brow pencils. I feel like they either break easily or they run out quickly. Or maybe I just do my brows very often. But yeah, I'll check this out. New Forever Natural Matte Velvet Compact Foundation from Dior. A no transfer compact foundation with up to 24 hours of naturally matte coverage that reduces shine and delivers a smooth, refined skin texture with 90% natural origin ingredients. Weightless formula that controls shine without drying. $60. Comes in 16 shades. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I like the things I've tried from Dior Beauty for the most part. Now they did release a foundation earlier this year that I tried, and I liked the foundation. It was beautiful on the skin. It wore well throughout the day. It just had fragrance in it, which I have sensitive skin, so it reacted with my skin. That's the only thing I don't like about their foundations. They're all like really heavily scented and they all end up breaking me out. It's a powder. I would hope you don't have, you know, a compact foundation smelling like flowers, like a flower shop. So I do want to check it out. I'm probably gonna check it out. I'm going to sacrifice my skin, but I am going to check it out. Okay, available now, new Halo Glow Liquid Filter from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Wait, what did I just say? Halo Glow Liquid Filter from e.l.f. Cosmetics. A multi-use glow booster that gives skin a soft focus filter effect in real life. Comes in 8 shades, retails for $14. I already got requests on doing a video on this. I am going to check it out. I was on Ulta's website, because I'm thinking, you know, it's Ulta's, but I didn't see it on there, so I guess I'm gonna have to get it from e.l.f.'s original website, but yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that. Oh, I guess we can talk about this because I actually did get a request to do a video on this, and I'm like, do you guys want to see that? This is the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation from Hourglass. Now, the brand you know, never really been my cup of tea. But again, if you guys want to see a video, I'll give you a video. Inspired by the Ambient Light collection, infused with blurring spheres to minimize the look of imperfections for skin that looks smooth, even, and glowing. It's a transfer-resistant formula resistant to humidity and sweat, a weightless liquid foundation that delivers buildable medium coverage, natural finish with a light diffusing effect. $58, comes in 32 shades. I actually saw the foundation in person. I didn't swatch anything again because like I'll be checking for them. You know, compared to what they put out in the past, I guess. But like I said, let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I feel like there was a lot in this video that I'm actually intrigued about. A lot of foundations, a lot of concealers that I need to try. Someone told me about a new Too Faced concealer. I'm gonna work on getting you guys a video on that. Let me know if you would want like separate videos or if you want me to put like multiple reviews of like similar products in the same video, if that makes sense. Like if you want to see, you know, 4 different foundation review videos, if you want me to put 4 foundation reviews in one video, whichever way makes it easier, just because like I feel like that'd be a lot of, you know, similar content that I'd be posting. Let me know. And let me know if there's anything else that you guys want me to check out that I did not talk about in today's video. Let me know how you think about the latest releases that are coming out. Are they catching your attention? Are you intrigued? Are you still not feeling it? Are you still more like skincare? Let me know all that down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.